Hi, to enable and disable hotspot on your POCO F6, as a first step, just swipe down from the upper right corner to trigger the control center and here find this chain icon. Now you can tap it once so it will light up blue and the hotspot is on now. Tap it again and it would be disabled. To check its settings, we would need to hold this icon and now we can make some adjustments. Go in the setup portable hotspot and here you can check your current password and you can change it. Just remove this one and enter something new. Here you can see the name of your hotspot, which you can also change. In the security, you can just switch to this option, WPA3 personal. And here, from the portable hotspot, you can switch to the default option and you can hide the name of your hotspot. Now, after you made adjustments, just save the changes by pressing the check mark. And here we can go in this one data limit and enable it by tapping on the switcher. And also we can enable the school feature, turn off hotspot automatically when no devices are connected. I suggest you to enable it just like I did. And here we can also enable or disable some of the left features. And now let's enable it and I'm gonna show you how this feature works. So I'm gonna take my other phone to connect to this phone's network. And here we would need to go in the settings for that. After that, select the Wi-Fi, enable it by tapping on the switcher and find our personal hotspot's name in the list of networks. If you cannot find it, then try to turn it off and then turn it on within a couple of seconds like that. And here search for the POCO F6 and here it is. You just need to tap it, enter the password and you will be connected to the phone network. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.